Hi everyone, I am back. I saw this on Pinterest and I just thought this was the cutest ornament, and I hope you guys can see it. It's a 1-inch block. Actually it's almost 1 1/4 inch block. These are, I believe, alphabet blocks. I painted them a couple years ago and I never used them. These are from Dollar Tree, and the ornament is made with the Christmas Carol old book pages, and I've got some bells on here. Got a little bulb pin with a tiny bell on the bottom, and just an 1/8 inch ribbon to hang it with. Very fast, very easy. So let me show you how that goes. I've get this stick all the way here. I've just used regular glue, which is taking a long time to dry today. Guys, it's cold and my heat's still not working. The guy did finally come back out, and he said they assigned a different guy to it. My warranty company assigned a different guy to it. So they sent a new guy out. He looked at it yesterday, and he said, unfortunately, in order to replace the part that needs to be replaced, he has to catch it not working. Well, of course he gets up there and everything fires right up. And so he said, I'm going to let it cool down, and then I'll try it again. Well, thank goodness it froze on him, got stuck. So he is going through the warranty company to order the part for us. And but in the meantime, I've got company coming on Friday and staying for a week or so, and I don't know if we're going to have any heat. So it's got down to 59 in here this morning, which, you know, for some of you guys that live in colder climates, that's no big deal, but for us in California, that's cold. We've got lots of blankets and everything. So the good news is that, you know, we have a gas fireplace. We can use it if we need to, and we can put blankets on. The glue is sticking to my fingers. Trying to find the ones that have the words that say, like, okay, I don't want idiot, but this one has Christmas, so I want to use those on the where'd it go? I want to use those on the sides where you can actually see the book pages. But anyway, so hopefully it won't be too long before we have heat. They have to, of course, order the part and then schedule a time to come back out here and fix it, and then we'll have heat. So alright, so I did all 4 sides going the same direction. This one says Christmas, this one says Scrooge, this one doesn't say anything, year, good time, Christmas time. Alright, I'm going to make sure that those are flat. They're kind of still sliding around. Okay, so I need to do the top. And the top is going to have the bells on it, so I'm not really worried about what it says. So I'm just going to stick this one there. But it is taking a long time for this glue to set up today. It's weird. There we go. Now we want to do the bottom. And you can't really see what's on the bottom either because it has the ribbon down there. So this one will say uncle, nephew. Oh, it has Christmas on there as well, so slide it around, make sure it's good and adhered. Oh, look, see, it's just sliding right off. These are painted with just white acrylic paint, and like I said, I painted these some time ago. Sorry. Okay, so I want to add a little bit of ink to this, and I'm not worried about the paper. I tore the paper, so the paper is not going to be exactly perfect. These are almost 1¼ inch blocks, so I tore it at 1 inch, just did the 6, tore a 1 inch strip and then tore it into 1 inch squares. So I am just going to use my, what color is this? Desert sand. And I just want to kind of go around, and I like the darker pages on here. It's pretty aged, yellowed, but I like that. Okay, and then I'm going to go in between with the just to get those corners. There, I think I got them. All right, now which way is up? Okay, that's the top, like that. All right, so for this, I don't need any more glue, I don't think. Okay, I need my ribbon, and I want to make, I took a 24-inch piece. That's what I started with because I wasn't sure if it would be, I'd rather have it too long and not have to start over. This is, like I said, an 1/8 inch ribbon. I don't know. I got it, yeah, 1/8 inch. I got that from Walmart. And I'm just going to fold it in half and start on the top. And I'm going to go to the bottom, and this is the trickiest part right here, is I want to twist. You know how you do when you're wrapping packages. You get that ribbon down across, and then you pull it the other way. It has to cross over. Then you pull it this way, and pull this one this way. Oops. Now this little crossover place, let me get that centered, is where we're going to be hanging our bulb pin. Now I want to bring this back up the side. And let's see if I can get it all flat. Mostly. Just pull that down. Fiddle with it till you get it where you want it. And I want to tie a knot here so I don't have to keep worrying about it. My fingers don't want to work because they're cold. My desk is right in front of the window, which probably doesn't help. Actually, truth be told, it's probably warmer outside than inside. There we go. I see that one turned. There we go. Okay, so get those back over there where they belong. And when I saw this on Pinterest, they used sheet music, which is what I had intended to use. But I've got so much stuff sitting here for my, I have so much stuff sitting here for my Christmas boutique that I can't find my hymn book. I was going to do a hymn book because usually in the hymn book they have a section that's Christmas carols in the back. Oh my goodness. Come on, fingers, work. There we go. Okay, now it'll be easier. Okay, so, and this is a little tricky too. These bells came from my my daughter, something with her cousin. Her cousin posted something, and if you he did a drawing, and he sent her a box of bells and another Christmas present. But that's what these bells are from. Thank you, Chad, if you're watching. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna need one of those. And three, I just put 3 on the top, and then I have this box of bulb pins. I have the bells are silver, so I'm going to use a silver bulb pin. I want to say I got this on Amazon, and it was like $7 for all of these, and I've used it quite a bit. I like that it has all the different colors. Okay, so let's trim this at an angle so we can get it through. And I'm just going to put 2 bells on one side and 1 on the other, and then tie them together. So there's 2. Oops, where'd it go? The lighting is also not very good in here either, so I apologize for the shadows. I don't seem to get good lighting in the winter time in here. And the more lights, the more shadows. So there we go. I got it. Yay! Alright, so I'm going to get those down here, and I'm going to tie another knot. So let's get that, yeah, right in the middle. Like so. And then I did pretty good. They're not too far off. I'm just gonna make a little. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I have no idea where I was. I assume I was tying this ribbon for the hanger. I went to swipe the phone off from ringing and answered it like a dork. Oh well. And I've got to call the heater guys back too. Okay, let's see. Did I do that right? Yes. Okay. No, I did not. All I did was tie a knot in it. I don't need it very long. I like to have it between 3 and 4 inches long, just so you can get it over the branch. Okay, let's go about there. I can always shorten it if I need to. Okay, so there we've got that part. That looks good with the bells. And then on the bulb, all I did was slide this through here. And through underneath the bottom there. So that can be like so. Get down there. There we go. It's not wanting to hang right, but it will. There you go. And there we go. So I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It doesn't do justice probably for you guys, but maybe I'll try to do a screenshot of it hanging on the tree, and I'll add that to the end. Okie dokie. Anyway, hope you'll try this. This is really fast and easy, and I'll see you next time.